Hello, Team 6-1 Social Studies students. This is Mr. Bush, and this is a screencast with information for Thursday, January 14th, and Friday, January 15th. As we finish up this week, students will be working on finishing their reading guide for the week, as well as taking the quick quiz for ancient India. We started class with reminders about students not having school next Monday. Next Monday's date is the 18th due to Martin Luther King Day, and the fact that the end of the quarter for the second quarter will be Friday, January 22nd. So there will be more information on next week about makeup work, recovery activities, and what we will be doing for social studies as we move forward. Yesterday, we went into this week's folder and took a look at a couple things. So we went into this week's folder, Q2 Week 9, the charcoal black colored folder. The reading guide is located in Wednesday's folder, which is Wednesday the 13th. It's an orange folder. In there's two things. The first thing is a video called What is Hinduism? I told students that they could watch this on their own. It's a little bit longer. It's about 17 minutes long, but it does explain things very, very, very well.
People is the world's oldest religion and probably the most confusing one to non-Hindus.
So once again, that video really explains Hinduism into great detail, even further than the reading guide. So this does support the reading guide. If you have not watched this yet, I suggest taking the time to watch this, maybe while you're having a snack or something like that. There are no questions that go with it, but it definitely helps support what we have done in class so far. And the reading guide is also located in that folder. Students open that up, and that will end up looking like this. So what we did was the first three sections, Introduction, Brahman, and Multiple Gods, together. Students earned some bonus points for volunteering. And then what I did with the remainder of class is let students finish the reading guide, ask any questions that they might have, and the students submitted that on Thursday. When students were done, I told them there was one more thing to complete for the week, so we went back into Schoology, we went back into this week's folder, and the final thing for the week was the quick quiz, which is located in Friday's folder, which is Friday the 15th, the green folder. So students went in, quick quiz for Hinduism. As we preview the questions, students will have 2 attempts. When students open it up, they will see that these are multiple choice questions, but they're in drop-down boxes. And this information comes from the reading guide, so it might not be a bad idea to complete this or try this at least one time immediately after you finish the reading guide. So this is what I have students working on Friday as well. Final reminder that we will not have class on Monday due to Martin Luther King Day. So I hope everybody enjoys a nice 3-day weekend. We will be live for social studies on Tuesday of next week, which is the 19th. So I will see everybody there. We will start the week then, and we will complete quarter 2 by the end of next week, which is Friday the 22nd. If you have any questions as you're working on Friday, feel free to email me. I hope you have a great day and a great 3-day weekend. Bye, everybody.